how to create tables in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to create tables in your Word document. Let's get started. Open up your Microsoft Word, and then you need to go to insert in the ribbon bar. Then you'll see table option right there. Now you can just hover over the rows and columns, and as you can see that it is being added, or you can just tap on insert table and then put in the number of columns and rows, and you can just hit OK, and there you go, a table has been created. Now you can uh, insert data in your table and then move ahead with your a Microsoft Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.